Brandeis is flexible, diverse, and a community deeply invested in your personal development. Let me clarify. This is a myth. The liberal arts requirements are insurmountable. And everyone at Brandeis has a triple major. You might believe, falsely, that you can manage your time. Playing a varsity sport while balancing academics and a social life. Rule it out. Above all else, do not study abroad. It cannot be accomplished in 4 years. And don't let anyone tell you pre-health is not impossible. Make no mistake, the staff at Academic Services will trivialize your concerns. It is yet to be seen that your academic advisors, Roosevelt Fellows, and professors will be around to offer advice. You can count on the fact that you will flat out crash and burn. There is little chance you can succeed at Brandeis University.